matter, and its properties. Everything around us that has mass and occupies space is called matter. While things like light, sound, and heat are forms of energy, matter includes all living and non-living things in our universe. In the solid state, substances have a fixed mass, volume, and shape. Because their particles are so tightly packed together, solids are incompressible and maintain their form under normal force. Liquids have a fixed mass and volume, but no fixed shape, as they take the shape of their container. We use the term viscosity to measure a liquid's resistance to flow, such as thick honey compared to water. The gaseous state is unique, because gases have mass but no fixed volume or shape. They are highly fluid and will expand rapidly to fill every available corner of the space they are in. Atoms are the basic building blocks of all matter and represent the smallest unit of an element. Every object you see, from a tiny leaf to a giant mountain, is made up of these incredible particles. Molecules are the smallest particles of a substance that can exist independently. Examples include monoatomic neon, diatomic oxygen, $O_2, and triatomic carbon dioxide, $CO_2, each with a specific number of atoms. The way matter behaves depends on the intermolecular force of attraction and the intermolecular space between particles. In solids, the force is strongest, which leaves minimal space for the particles to move. In liquids, the intermolecular force is weaker, allowing particles to slide past each other. Gases have the weakest force and largest space, which is why they are so easy to compress into smaller volumes. When we heat a liquid, it undergoes vaporization through boiling or evaporation. Water reaches its boiling point at $100°C, where the molecules gain enough energy to break free and move far apart as gas. The processes of freezing and melting occur at $0°C for water and ice. This is the critical temperature where matter transitions between the solid and liquid states as energy is added or removed. Sublimation is a fascinating process, where a solid like camphor or iodine changes directly into a gas without becoming a liquid. The reverse process, where a gas turns directly into a solid, is known as deposition. Applying pressure can also change the state of matter, such as liquefying gases like carbon dioxide or LPG. This allows us to store large amounts of fuel, like butane and propane, in compact metal tanks. In summary, matter is anything with mass and space, existing as solids, liquids, or gases. We have explored how intermolecular force and temperature changes lead to interconversion through processes like boiling, freezing, and sublimation.